This sudden political development today in Tripura, tendering resignation by the Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb and choosing a new Chief Minister, a new face, it was not unexpected because the BJP IPFT led government since the day one, their performance is not only zero, it is minus. In addition to that, during last 4 years, under the leadership of BJP, RSS, in the state of Tripura, the constitutional right, fundamental right of the people, people's right for choosing their own candidate in different elections, it was totally hijacked, as if the rule of law or the rule of the constitution is totally absent in the state of Tripura, and it has been replaced by the anarchy, and it has been replaced to a police state. All the fascistic attack upon the common people, very particularly CPI, it was unabatedly from the day one, it is continuing. In other hand, the economy of the state, including job generation, etc., it has been totally ruined, and economy has become a total doldrum. So average people is unhappy. People are agitating almost every day in and day out. So the BJP, not only BJP Tripura, the BJP's All India Committee, they were finding a way how to divert the people's attention, how to work on the situation. So that's why they have staged this is an attempt to divert the attention of the people by compelling Biplab Kumar Deb to tender his resignation and by appointing a new chief minister. But people of Tripura is not that fool, and they will already have learned lesson, and their agitation, their movement, their attempt against the total anarchy, what was unabatedly in people witnessing for last 4 years, to bring the change, to restore the democracy, it will be further strengthened, rejuvenated. And by this incident, what we CPIM and other political parties, very particularly the secular and democratic parties, what we have been telling to the rest of the country, today it has been proved. So this is just not a sudden development, but it was very unexpected, and in future to come, the democratic movement will be further strengthened and it will get the momentum.